Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're working on exercises 1 through 4. Now, let's pay close attention. Listen, you learn a sentence about dropping a glass on the floor and the glass doing something. Listen, if you drop a glass on the floor, the glass may break. Say the sentence. If you drop a glass on the floor, the glass may break. Yes, if you drop a glass on the floor, the glass may break. Here's a new sentence. The boys will eat almost all of the pie. Say almost, almost. Say pie, pie. Say almost all of the pie. Get ready. Almost all of the pie. Say, the boys will eat almost all of the pie. Say, the boys will eat almost all of the pie. Get ready. The boys will eat almost all of the pie. Listen, almost all is a little less than all. Say the sentence about almost all. Get ready. Almost all is a little less than all. Almost all of the people is a little less than all of the people. Say almost all of the people. Almost all of the people. Is that all of the people? Get ready. No. Is that more than all of the people or less than all of the people? Get ready. Less than all of the people. Is almost all of the people a lot less than all of the people or a little less than all of the people? Get ready. A little less than all of the people. Now look at this picture, boys and girls. This is a pie. What is this? Get ready. A pie. Ask me, what kind of pie is this? Get ready. What kind of pie is this? This is an apple pie. What kind of pie is this? Get ready. An apple pie. Say the sentence. Get ready. This is an apple pie. Listen, the parts of a pie are called pieces of pie. Say pie, pie. Say pieces, pieces. Say pieces of pie, pieces of pie. Yes, the parts of a pie are pieces of pie. What's another word for parts? Get ready. Pieces. My turn to count some of the pieces. 1, 2, 3. Count those pieces with me. 1, 2, 3. Now count all the pieces to yourself. Raise your hand when you know how many pieces this pie has. So take a few seconds to go ahead and count all of the pieces. Everybody, how many pieces does this pie have? Get ready. 8. Yes, this pie has 8 pieces. Say the sentence. Get ready. This pie has 8 pieces. Listen, the boys will eat almost all of the pie. Say almost all of the pie. Get ready. Almost all of the pie. The boys will eat almost all of the pie. Say the sentence. The boys will eat almost all of the pie. Listen, they will eat almost all of the pie. So they will eat 3 pieces. Get ready. No. Will they eat more than 3 pieces of pie or less than 3 pieces of pie? Get ready. More than 3 pieces of pie. Yes, they will eat more than 3 pieces of pie. If they will eat almost all of the pie, will they eat more than 4 pieces of the pie? Get ready. Yes. Ask me, how many pieces of pie will they have? Ask me, how many pieces of pie will they eat? Get ready. How many pieces of pie will they eat? I will show you the answer. Look at the picture. Ask me, how many pieces of pie did the boys eat? Get ready. How many pieces of pie did the boys eat? 7. Is 7 pieces almost all of the pie? Get ready. Yes. Yes, 7 pieces is almost all of the pieces. Say the sentence. Get ready. 7 pieces is almost all of the pieces. Let's go ahead and look at the next picture, boys and girls. These words tell how hot things are. My turn to say the words you have learned. Hot, warm, cool, cold. Your turn to say those names. Get ready. Hot, warm, cool, cold. Can things get hotter than 212 degrees? Get ready. Yes. Say the sentence. Get ready. Things can get hotter than 212 degrees. Do you think the temperature of this room is 40 degrees? Get ready. No. Do you think the temperature of this room is 90 degrees? Get ready. No. Do you think the temperature of this room is around 70 degrees? Get ready. Yes. Listen, is a room that is 90 degrees too cool? Get ready. No. Is a room that is 90 degrees too warm? Get ready. Yes. Say the sentence about a room of 90 degrees. Think about it. Get ready. A room that is 90 degrees is too warm. Is a room of 50 degrees too cool? Get ready. Yes. Yes, a room of 50 degrees is too cool. Say the sentence. Get ready. A room of 50 degrees is too cool. When food is cooking on a stove, it is hot or warm. If hot food is on your dish for 10 minutes, is it very hot or only warm? Think about it. Get ready. Only warm. Yes, that food is only warm. Say that sentence. Get ready. That food is only warm. This word is freezing. Say freeze. Freeze. Say freezing. Freezing. When water freezes, what does it turn into? Get ready. Ice. What is the freezing temperature of water? Think about it. Get ready. Less than 32 degrees. Your turn. Say the words. Get ready. Hot. Warm. Cool. Cold. Now listen, you learned some new contractions. What's the contraction for I will? Get ready. I'll. What's the contraction for you will? Get ready. You'll. What's the contraction for they will? Get ready. They'll. What's the contraction for we will? Get ready. Will. What's the contraction for she will? Get ready. She'll. I'll say sentences. You'll say them with a contraction. He will find a quarter under the chair. Say the sentence with a contraction. Get ready. He'll find a quarter under the chair. She will buy candy. Say the sentence with a contraction. Get ready. She'll buy candy. We will walk very slowly. Say that sentence with a contraction. Get ready. We'll walk very slowly. They will talk to the girls. Say the sentence with a contraction. Get ready. They'll talk to the girls. You will be very cold. Say that sentence with a contraction. Get ready. You'll be very cold. Say carry. Carry. Say carried. Carried. Say she tried to carry both boxes. Get ready. She tried to carry both boxes. Listen, she tried to carry both boxes to her car. Say the sentence. She tried to carry both boxes to her car. When you carry something, you hold it as you walk or run. When you carry boxes, you hold them as you walk or run. Listen, she tried to carry both boxes to her car. How many boxes did she have? Get ready. 2. She tried to hold them and walk to her car. Ask me, did she carry both boxes to her car? Get ready. Did she carry both boxes to her car? No, she carried both boxes 30 feet. How many feet? Get ready. 30 feet. Yes, she carried both boxes 30 feet. Say the sentence. Get ready. She carried both boxes 30 feet.